For all your t-shirt needs, check out TeePublic's Killer Selection. Follow the link in the description. Hey, what's up, people? Pizzal here, and today I've got an unboxing for you guys, courtesy of Jeff Gresham's Shredder FX. And a shout out to the U.S. Postal Service for lending me a hand in this unboxing. It actually looks like somebody put their fist, or tried to put their fist through the box. And so, yeah, it's taking quite a bump. Hopefully the contents of the package are not damaged, but yeah, the U.S. Postal Service always lending me a hand when it comes to doing these unboxing videos. But nevertheless, this particular item, Mr. Gresham had posted pictures of in one of the Friday the 13th groups that I frequent on Facebook. And the picture looked absolutely phenomenal. This is a mask slash bust for that guy right there behind me, Savini Jason from Friday the 13th, the game. Now, my particular Savini Jason mask bust, he asked me if I wanted update pictures of his update as he painted it along the way, and I was like, no, just surprise me. So I'm really eager to open this thing up and check it out, and yeah, I'm really excited. So without further ado, get out my trusty knife. And let's open this bad boy up. All right. Ooh, I see burnt flesh. I see burnt, charred flesh. Oh my. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Wow. So yes, this is the... Yikes. Wow. This is the Savini Jason bust. Now, you can get this in a mask form with the eyes cut out. I loved the fiery eyes there, so I asked him to keep the eyes in and just make it like a bust for me. But wow, yeah, this thing is really cool. Lots of great detail in here. The burnt, charred flesh, the fire in the eyes and behind the mouth, and the scratches and cuts, and oh, he's got a chunk torn out of his ear over here. He's got a wound here on his shoulder. Got some burnt, charred, nasty looking flesh down here. On the back of it, it says Shredder FX. I will post up close pictures, high quality pictures, and up close video of this mask slash bust at the end of the video. Also, I'm going to edit in some footage of Mr. Gresham painting this guy for me, because he did a video that he posted on his own YouTube channel. So I will edit in some footage of his progress painting this guy for me, so you guys can kind of see the process of how one of these bad boys is painted, how it starts, and well, this is how it ends, and it looks really freaking cool, man. Oh, man. This thing is so cool. I just so happen to have a brand new Savini Jason Hawk that I just finished the other day. So let's put the Hawk on him and see how he looks with the Hawk on. Oh, yeah. That is cool. Check that out. There he is. There is Savini Jason with the Hawk on. Yeah. Very, very nice. This guy, though, honestly, I'm probably just going to display him without the Hawk, and just let his natural beauty shine right through. But yeah, this is really, really nice. This is a very, very nice piece. The detail is great. The painting is great. The little detail in the fire within his eyes and stuff. Let me see if I can get you guys a little bit closer look at him there. Yeah. Very, very nice. Yes, I will put a link to Shredder FX's Facebook page in the description if you guys are interested in picking up this guy either in a mask or in bust form. I would certainly recommend it. Head over there, shoot Jeff a message, and let him know that you would like your own Savini Jason, and tell him that Pizzal sent you. Tell him that you saw this video and I helped guide the way for you to pick up one of these bad boys. I've not seen anybody else offering these kinds of masks or busts online. So, yeah, it's just really, really good, high quality, thick latex. Oh, he signed it on the inside. Very nice. Ooh, and this is actually number 2. I got number 2. This is only the second one that Mr. Gresham made. This is entitled Escaping Hell. This is Escaping Hell, Savini Jason, and this is number 2. So really cool. I got the second one that he made. He makes these by hand. He hand paints them. So yeah, and awesome. Absolutely fantastic. Very, very happy with this guy. Again, I'll put a link to Shredder FX's Facebook page in the description. Go over, check them out. If you're interested in picking one of these guys up, shoot Jeff a message and let him know that you saw this video. So yeah, I will add some up close and personal pictures as well as video of Savini Jason here, and I will edit in some footage of Mr. Gresham painting this guy. So yeah, very, very happy. Very, very nice piece here. Very high quality latex, very thick latex, just very, very nice. Very, very nice. Yes, 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 yes. Alright guys, if you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up. If you've not entered my 10K subscriber giveaway, in which I'm giving away a $100 Amazon gift card, the new Friday the 13th 8-disc Blu-ray set, and or your choice of a hand-painted hockey mask from me or a horror shirt from my TeePublic store. Follow the link in the description and enter my 10K subscriber giveaway today. But yeah, this thing is so awesome. So freaking awesome. Yes. If you're not following me on social media, those links are in the description. They're also right around here. As always, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Take care, and until next time, peace. Join the A Buck a Month Club and help support my channel on Patreon. Thank you to my current patrons, Turi Delamore, Richard Mead, Jeremiah Lambert, Johnny Yeager, Orc145626, Derek Jana, Farron Sutton, and Robert Sobel. Say hello to the internet, Jeremy.
Hello to the internet.